All right, good morning, October 11th, 2021. We are almost halfway through the trimester already, believe it or not, which is crazy. Um, your tests have been graded. They probably didn't give you a grade right away because of those two short answer at the end. I went through all of those last night and just graded them up real quick. If you have any questions on your test, let me know. All right. Overall, everything looked very, very, very good. Well done, everyone. Very impressed. I know I don't show it, but it's hard because I'm just talking to a computer, so no one's like, woo! It's just me going, woo! All right, enough of me going, woo! Today, October 11th, we are starting a new unit. We are starting enzymes, cellular respiration, and photosynthesis. Now, it's pretty interesting stuff. How do humans and animals breathe? How do plants grow and sustain life on Earth? And then what are enzymes doing? We're not going to spend too much time on enzymes um, just because AP doesn't spend a lot of time on enzymes. But they are important for our different catabolic reactions within our body and where they start working. And they're a part of our digestive system and all of that. So, first things first, here is your reading guide. We're starting new, we're starting fresh. Your reading guide here, 4 sections again. This will definitely be like homework over break. You will need to do it over MEA. All right? Go through it, and if you have any questions, reach out and let me know. Okay? You are using the same ebook that you were using for the first one. Okay? The one with the lizard eye on it. Second, what we're doing today is the enzyme notes and worksheet. That one is pretty self-explanatory. Let's see, can I open it up here? Pretty self-explanatory. It goes through some of the notes. All right, talking about enzymes, talking about different vocabulary that you'll need, inhibitors, amylase, polymerase, RUB, carboxylase. And then under it, it has a worksheet, okay? So you can find all this information in the notes up here. And it's got about, 20 questions and then some multiple choice, okay? Go through that, submit that to me. I'll go through it real quick and see what we can work on. Go through that really quick, okay? We are doing an online activity on Wednesday and Thursday this week. So you definitely need to know about enzymes and how they are reacting. Okay, what they do for our body, what they do to break down foods or other things within our system in order for us to get nutrients or break down toxins, a whole bunch of stuff. All right. So read through this and answer the questions. That's that. Can I go back next? Can I go next? All right. We also have a few ed puzzles on enzymes, photosynthesis, and cellular respiration. For right now, just do the introduction to enzymes for today. Okay. I will set up dates for cellular respiration and photosynthesis stuff. Don't worry about that too much right now. But I have assigned them to your class. Okay. If you haven't used my ed puzzle yet, or maybe folks got moved in or moved out or what have you, click on the link and that'll pull you right to the class link. All right. So you just click on this blue link right up here and it'll take you right there. Sound good? All right. And the final thing is if you get to this today, great. Otherwise, focus on Most of you have turned in your diffusion and osmosis lab, which is great. I'll probably grade those. I know I probably said I'd grade them last week or this weekend. I did not get to them. Excuse me. So it'll probably be today or tomorrow I get to them. The cellular respiration worksheet is from a different textbook. And so these are the pages of the different textbook. Okay, so everything should be there that you need. Do the same thing. Put this worksheet into Notability or however you've been taking notes on it, and then submit that, and I can get you a grade on it. So my homework is to grade your diffusion and osmosis labs. Everyone's grades pretty much online after the test look really good. Make sure we're turning in any missing work, any of that. Your grades will probably go up once I get your diffusion and osmosis labs in. So that's on me. Tell your parents he's working on it. He'll get it for you. And tell your parents to be on the lookout for maybe a email or a survey, if they haven't already taken the survey, about conferences. So I'd love to chat with you and your parents if you're available for conferences. Otherwise, I guess I'll see you when I see you. I should do like a video assignment or something for everyone so we can I don't know, see each other. It's kind of sad. Just me talking to the computer screen here. I'm sure you're all very lovely people. I just have only met Ben in person. Okay. Other than that, today is your day to finish up any missing work. And then week 1, work through that stuff under week 1. I'll keep adding to it. That's just today's stuff. If you don't get to the cellular respiration worksheet today, that'll be what we do tomorrow. So I added it for you all in case you want to work ahead. As long as you have it done by tomorrow night, you'll be in a good spot and you'll have all the information you need for the lab, the activity that we're doing on Wednesday and Thursday. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day. See Ham. Leave me a grade. I'd love to know how this video went. Thank you all for being so respectful, but also for being, what am I trying to say? Accountable. Holding yourselves accountable, making sure you're getting your work in and all that stuff. You're doing wonderful. Reach out if you ever have any questions. Shout out to Ben and Layla for talking about some labs, and Ben mentioning that he was out of school. Didn't really affect us, but really helped with good communication. So always, 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 always advocate for yourselves. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.